warning for your area until next Wednesday. We have brought this series back after a few months of absence. This will be a once every few months occurrence now. So subscribe to me or else lol.
Oh wow. A Taylor Swift emergency. And a Wheeler reference. I guess this is going to be a cruel summer. Well, if you don't like that joke, then shake it off. But this is very bad. A Taylor Swift catastrophic emergency for the NFL. The Chiefs won another Super Bowl and America is angry. Taylor Swift is definitely behind this. It is totally her, and not that Patrick Mahomes is just an unbelievable generational talented quarterback that put the team on his back in that final drive. Nope. It's Taylor Swift. I swear these people who are religious about a 3-hour pastime are so deluded. The Chiefs are here. Not my fault you weren't smart enough to pull for them, and instead chose the frickin' Bengals or Ravens. Are you ready for it? If not, then you need to calm down. Okay, enough references. Raw. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Guys. Not only is this an ashfall reference, which is bad enough, but this is a volcano advisory. An advisory. Please be advised that an ashfall could fall ash on the ashfall at any time. Please prepare accordingly for ash to fall in your mouth tonight. You are all screwed. This is the EAS system, and we are all going to die.
Pigs have took over the world. Humans have been overtaken by pigs. You never want to say it, folks, but this is John Pork attack all over again. This is a catastrophic failure, a catastrophe disaster, annulling pessimistic horrifying disastrous calamity disaster. Run and hide. The world is done for. Wow.